Let's make the famous, extremely appetizing Nawabi korma from the city of Nawab Tonk. This korma is so rich and flavorful that you will want to make it again and again. Let's see the recipe for this easy and quick to prepare korma. But before the begin, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here I am preparing korma with 250 grams of mutton. For this, first of all, we will take 60 ml of oil in the pan. As soon as the oil becomes slightly hot, we will add the whole spices to it. So here I have taken 4 cardamoms, 1 star anise, 1 piece of cinnamon stick and 15 to 20 black peppers. Now we will add 5 medium-sized onions sliced thinly into this oil. Here we will fry the onion while stirring continuously on medium-high flame till it turns brown. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes for the onions to brown. We will cut it into as thin slices as possible so that it can get brown quickly and easily. Here you can see that the color of the onion has started changing and it has started turning slightly brown. So here I had washed 250 grams of meat thoroughly with water 2 to 3 times and added 1 glass of water, salt, 1 tablespoon of oil and half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and boiled till for 5 to 6 whistles. Here this onion has also become properly brown. So now we will add 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste to it. We will fry the garlic paste with this onion for 1 minute while continuously turning it. After frying the garlic, now add boiled meat to it and save it broth which we will add in the end. Fry this mutton thoroughly in oil by turning it for few seconds. Now add half a cup of curd to it. Here we will fry the curd and mutton together well for about 1 minute while turning continuously. We will fry it until all the water in the curd dries up. So here you can see that all the moisture from the curd has been cooked and dried and this mutton has become completely dry. So now we will add all these dry spices to it. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of mutton masala powder and salt according to the taste. Along with this we will add half a cup of mutton broth so that the spices don't burn and it cooks well and there is no rawness in it. Now we will fry these spices very well for 2 to 3 minutes while stirring continuously. We will fry them until a nice aroma starts coming from them and oil starts releasing from these spices. While frying them, we have to take care that they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. If you feel that the spices need to be cooked more and they are sticking to the bottom of the pan, then add some more water to it and roast these spices well. Here the spices have been roasted well with the mutton. So now we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. And also we will add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. After adding ginger garlic paste and coconut flakes, again fry it well on medium-high flame for a few seconds. By adding coconut, the gravy becomes grainy, more tastier and it also enhances its taste. So you should also add desiccated coconut. So now all the spices have been fried well. Now we will add the remaining broth here, which we had kept before. So after adding this mutton yakhni, now we will mix it all very well and leave it to cook on very slow flame for at least 1 minute so that the water and spices dissolve well together and a good taste can be created. Lastly, we will add lots of finely chopped coriander. So here our spicy, grainy and extremely appetizing mutton korma is ready. It's prepared in very short time, easily and is very tasty. So you must try the recipe and tell us by commenting how you like the recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.